A wonderful day to all learners. Get ready and prepare yourselves as we embark on a journey of learning and exploration through this video. Today, we will dive into general education bullets, English, Set 6. Stay safe, and may blessings be with you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. Even when her friends betray her, Perla bears no rancor in her heart because she is not bitter. Fish and fries are my cousin's favorite fast food meal. Fish and fries are taken as a single entity. Free verse is a poem with irregular or no rhyme scheme and no meter at all. Fricatives are sounds produced when the air stream is compressed and passes through a small opening, creating friction. Fyodor Dostoevsky had been writing his last novel, Brother Karamazov, when he died. The sentence given is in the past perfect progressive because the first past action is still happening when the second past action transpired. Gabriel slept soundly in his air-conditioned room last night. Geoffrey Chaucer has always been called the morning star/father of English literature. Guy de Maupassant was the foremost French short story writer who wrote some 300 short stories, 6 novels, 3 travel books, and 1 volume of verse. Haiku is a traditional Japanese poem consisting of 3 lines totaling 17 syllables with nature as topic. He is the black sheep of the family is an example of a metaphor. He was excused because all he said were white lies. The idiomatic expression means lines recited are excusable. He was like a snake in the night is a simile because the statement is comparing the snake to the night using the word like. His discussion is excellent and connected to the case. Homer is the first mythical geographer who was recognized due to his vivid descriptions of lands and people encountered by his hero Ulysses. How she made both ends meet, guided us in our studies and did small acts of charity on the side was beyond me. The mother's financial resources are limited. I can't find my calculator, may I use yours, Michael? I die when the dawn breaks to herald the day is a line from Mi Ultimo Adios by Jose Rizal. I thought the task was heavy for Renaboy and me. I value a man for the size of his heart could be interpreted as man's kindness is most important. I will not leave you to come hell or high water, meaning the speaker will not leave the person no matter what. Ia has not forgotten that she was betrayed by her best friend and carried such rancor in her deeply offended heart for a long time. If I had taken my chance on love, I would have been happier. If the murder weapon is not found inside the bag of Aksionov, he will not suffer imprisonment. This case is first conditional because it speculates situations that are possible to happen at present time or in the future. If the president listened to the wails of his people, he would have stopped the killings in Mindanao. This case is third conditional because it speculates situation that happened or did not happen in the past. If you chance upon the principal on your way out of the campus, please send him my best wishes. If you drink poison, you die. This case is zero conditional because it describes situations that are always true or factual. If you forgot your textbook, you can use mine, Carl. If you want to be recognized, have a finger in the pie, meaning you have to make an active part in something. Illogical conclusion is the logical fallacy in, you once sponsored a project of the governor, therefore you are the governor's crony. In a station of the metro is a classic example of imagism, as the poet, Ezra Pound, describes a moment in the underground metro station in Paris. In critical listening, the listener is concerned with acquiring new knowledge for the purpose of improving skills in generalizing and decision-making. In Kiramapolitan Tugvara's short story The Virgin, Ms. Majares failed to find a man to marry because she took care of her sick mother. In Macbeth, we see a man whose downfall was caused by overwhelming ambition for power. In one of his poems, the Filipino author Zulueta da Costa used simile when he said that the Filipinos are like the Molave. In Paz Latorna's short story The Small Key, old clothes and other things owned by the first wife are inside the chest when the second wife, Soledad, opened it using the small key. In Psalm 23, otherwise known as Psalm of David, he will be provided peace and prosperity is the closest meaning to the line, he maketh me to lie down in green pastures, he leadeth me beside the still waters. In sentences with multiple adjectives, the order of adjectives must be determiner, observation, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, qualifier, just like in the case of, she drives an expensive black Japanese sports car. In the Count of Monte Cristo, Edmond Dante was wrongfully imprisoned on Devil's Island. In the Loreto Parasulit's short story, the bolo that was given to her by her husband is being treasured by the main character. The obvious lesson in the short story The Bolo is heritage is more important than physiological needs. In the school paper, the editor-in-chief is in charge of the entire publication. In the speech process, resonation is concerned with amplifying and enriching the voice, using human amplifiers such as the nose, windpipe, and chest. In the state of confusion is meant by at 6s and 7s in the sentence, we moved into the house last week, but I'm afraid everything is still at 6s and 7s. Informal reading inventory or IRI is a reading technique utilized when a teacher asks his student to read a particular passage, then marks mispronounced words. Is this spot where you had the accident? It is altogether fitting that we organize a literary seminar to pay homage to a great Filipino writer. Jose Garcia Villa is a Filipino poet who uses punctuation marks extensively in his pieces, most especially commas. Jose Garcia Villa was the first Filipino national artist for literature awarded in 1973. Juncture is a supersegmental that pertains to the pauses or rests in speech. Let us campaign for the total ban on the use of harmful insecticides. Mario's father is an alcoholic, a chain smoker, and a gambler. But Mario is his contrast because he does not drink, smoke, nor gamble. This case proves that one's value system is acquired. Mother finally found the time to rest after working the whole day. My father and I met a friend of ours in the shopping center. My goal, to be independently wealthy by the age of 50, is looking increasingly unrealistic contains an appositive phrase. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic on general education bullets. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.